Hello everyone. It's me back again with another video to cool your brain. So today's video is a bit special. We won't be writing any code. Instead, we are going to test everything together. I have created a blog app where I have merged previously learned topics that are crude and user authentication system and one more thing that is RBAC concept, which means role-based access control. Just a quick reminder before we start, I'm not a pro developer or any kind of expert. I'm learning as I walk through. So if you see any mistakes or have suggestion, please feel free to share at the comment section. So let's start our testing without any delay. So let me open the VS Code, and I was also doing some testing already before for the comments one. So let me start from the beginning, that is from authentication. So for authentication, I have auth controller, which generally does the register and login. So let me see the root one, it's auth root. So auth root is slash register slash API slash auth. Okay, let me do that one. That is simply auth. Oh, okay. Out slash register, and I have to do the post type. I've already done some test over here, so let me just copy over this and paste this one so that I don't need to repeatedly write this. So let me change the username. Let me make username to admin. Let's not do like admin. Let me do who am I. After that, let me do it to who am I at gmail.com, and let the password be the same, and let me just copy it and paste over here so that I can do on the future one. So let me just send that one, and its token is available here. Let me just copy that token and keep over here, and yeah, it's all done. So we just save this one, this one also save. After that, I have to do is about the blog root. So in the blog root, I have got the slash one that gets blog, and which part is API slash blog. So let me just remove the API and let me do blog one. Oh, this is the one. So it should not be the post type; it should be a get type. So let me just send. So yeah, I have already created few posts before. So two of the posts are available here when I click on the blog route, and the owners of them are this one. The user are this. It is actually created by the same user and liked. They have been liked by two users. This post admin, and the two likers are this user one and user two. Let me show you the users on the Mongo Compass. So at the Mongo Compass, I have got the users. They are one is Senju, and one is Humi, and one is Who Am I, which I have just registered now. I will be making the post from this account now, and let me make this change this rule into this one to user, this one to admin, and this one to super admin. Let me show you. I have make the model like this. So users enumerations are user and admin and super admin. By default they will be on user. So that means I have to manually change this from the database. Let me do this one. Edit one. Let me just keep it admin. No, okay, should be fine. Update, yeah, and this be super admin. Okay, this should be fine. And after that, I will later show you the use of admin and super admin. Now let's do one thing, is making the post. So make it post type. I guess it should be like that. Yeah, it should be the post type, and it can be created by user, it can be created by admin, and it can be also created by super admin. So since now I am in the account, I mean the token is from the account of newly registered account. So uh, it is the user one, and oh sorry, this is the one. And to now let me create the post. So for the creating the post, it should be like this. So let me just copy this one. You just need the title and a description. So I'm gonna do this. Just copy and paste. So title be like RPSC concepts, and this means let me give it a description like this. This generally means role based access control. Okay, I must say something. Mental workplace access control. So, okay. After that, let me just say it, and its status to only okay, and it means our new blog has been created. And now, for now, there is on zero likes. There is no any like, and it has been created. This description is this. The user is this, and it's already done. So if I do the get one, then I will receive 3 posts. The first post is Senju one. I am a youngest billionaire from Nepal. Oh, am I? I'm a mysterious seven piece of girl. I don't know whatever I wrote before. And the third one is RBSC concept design elements. Yeah. So this has been this is properly working. After that, let me see in the blog root. I have a like one. Before doing the like one, let me like another post, not this one post. From this account, let me like the another one. The id is this. So if I want to like the post, I have to do in this way. So app slash blog slash id slash like. So if I do like this and do the type post, no, not a post, it should be type put one. If you observe properly, there is put type, and it generally does this. So from this account it will be, yeah. So blog has been liked, and its like has been counted as 3. So if I do again the get type and remove this one, then I'm gonna receive the likes count be 3 of them in this first blog. Okay, and it is correctly working right now. After that, there is a comment section also. So for the comments, let me see the comment root. So I generally need a blog id, and in order to post also, I also need the blog id. So let me just receive some comment. uh, do the post type and api slash comments. Okay, so it should be like this: comments slash okay, I have already this blog id. The blog id is this one, yeah. So this is the blog id, and I have already the pasted over here. So if I do it get type, and I should receive its comment. The comment is written by this user id. This username is who@gmail.com, and email is this one. So it is retrieving its data. So now let me do the post type and add the comment from the currently registered id. So the thing I have to do is, let me see if there is any blog or copy comments. No, there isn't for the comments. So let me see in the controller. So what does it value text for the post type? So for that comment it takes the only text. So simply I have to do is I have to go at the blog text, I have to go for the body, and for in this part I have to do is text equals to be I finally found the correct vlog of my life. So if I comment like this and do the send, then my blog my comment has been successfully created. And if I do the get type, then I will be receiving the two comments from this blog. In this blog there are two comments. So one is a ID from who me, and one is from ID who am I. Yeah, it has successfully working. And after that, for the user root, I haven't done much more things. I was trying, but I haven't done lots of things because it can be only done with the super admin one. So let me do the login with the another ID now. So let me just keep it to do this and do the auth slash login. So if I do the login and keep the value of since the Humi one is the super admin, then just log in with the super admin one and copy it and just paste it over here. And I don't need the email address, so I just gonna remove it and do the login. I'm gonna receive the token. I have to copy that token to the auth one, so I'm just gonna paste over here. And after that, I have to do now is to get the post, get all the users. Um, I haven't done the setups over here, so let me just do a simple setup. So user, let me just create a user root equals to require dot slash roots slash user root. And if I done with that, and simple use app dot use slash API slash users, and I have to do is uh, user root. Yeah, it should be working now. And I have to do is users. Since I am the super admin, I should get the users. Yeah, I am successfully getting the users, and it is working absolutely fine. Since I am the super admin, I am only it is only allowed to the super admin. So it is I am logging as a super admin, so I am able to get the list of the users. One is Senzu, one is Huame, and one is Humi. So there are three users, and the same thing if I do with the another user, just as I say, let me go with the previous one. So yeah, this one is the previous one. So if I do this and send, I will be receive like unauthorized access, since that is just a simple user. A user cannot do the access that has which is only authorized to be done for super admin. So that works like this. And after that, and the same thing will happen with the another one. The admin even can't access this root. Okay, and let me just give an overview of all the roots. So first of all, I have the login and register that I have used. After the blog one is get blogs, one is get blog by ID. So I haven't done with the get blog by ID. So let me show you also that one. In the previous one, let me just change the super admin. Now I'm with super admin, and let me just do the get type. These two are the public routes, and these three are the private routes. And the thing is, If I do the get blog by ID, so I have to simply do is logs slash, and this is the ID. So if I do this get type, oh no, sorry, not this one. I did the like one. I don't want to do the like one. So if I this, do like this and get, I receive the blog of that ID. And I have done with the blog put one. I have done with the post one, and let's not delete anything. And it is working actually. It's not like it doesn't work. It works. And let me see for the comment one. Yeah, I have also done with the comments, show the comments, adding the comments, deleting the comments, and the basic things of the user roots. So yeah, almost all of the tasks has been done, and few of them are still left because I haven't done with the updating of the blogs, and also few things that can be done over the user root that can be only done with the super admins. So what is I can do, please you can comment at the comment section. So yeah, if you want me to show the actual method that I built this application, blog application from the scratch, uh, write in a comment section, code your brain. Then definitely for the next episode, I'm gonna uh, do the same practice in the next episode from the scratch, and I'm gonna explain a few RBSC concepts on later videos. Saying this much, it should be enough. Let's see you on the next episode. Till then, bye bye.